Hello, and thank you for your interest in our widely used asset tracking solution. At ASAP Systems, we provide a best-in-class, complete barcode-based asset tracking system that's a combination of hardware and either cloud-based or on-premise software, best suited for mid-sized to large and enterprise-level organizations. Our asset tracking solution is also modular and fully configurable by system administrators on a global scale and individuals on a personal preference scale, all designed for ease of use and to meet our clients' accurate, specific, and fluid requirements. Some of our basic features include the Receive feature for adding new assets to the system, the Move feature for reassigning locations and custody, the Check-in and Check-out feature similar to the Move but allows for the use of due dates. Maintenance tracking allows you to ensure that all maintenance and calibrations are being completed on time. Within our modular features, a few examples would include the Asset Reservation Cart. This allows users to easily reserve the required assets and assign a date range for when they will need to be picked up and due back. We also have the Layout feature, which increases the visibility of the physical location for your most valuable assets. Our configurability features include the ability to easily add and remove new asset data fields to match your organization's terminology, generate unlimited configurable reports with our easy-to-use Report Wizard tool, configure barcode labels to meet all of your requirements, making asset tracking easier, and many, many more. In addition, our hardware options are compatible with existing laptops, desktops, iOS, and Android devices that guarantee accurate asset data collection. With streamlined asset tracking operations, organizational teams can spend more time and energy on other impactful tasks. Contact us to schedule a more in-depth one-on-one demonstration to see how ASAP Systems can fit your organizational needs and guide you on what to look for in an inventory system.